It is quite common to hear that after crossing 40, suddenly I have got diabetes. Suddenly I have got cholesterol and high blood pressure. There was nothing wrong in my body. So this is very common, but we need to understand that disease, they don't come overnight. It takes 8 to 10 years for our body to develop disease. So it is best to prevent at an early stage. Let's talk about 4 stages of disease development. First stage is healthy body. Healthy body is when you don't have any issue, your metabolism is higher, you are not putting on weight. Even if whenever you are falling sick, you will be able to recover faster with viral or bacterial infections. Even if when you go for marathon or any intense physical training, you will be able to recover in 2 days. And in case whenever you are doing party or vacation where you consume excess alcohol, smoking, even if you are able to recover faster. So this is the healthy body. Second stage is when body starts struggling. So body starts showing some signs of pain like backache, shoulder ache, some stomach ache, you have digestive discomfort, your weight will start to increase. You might struggle with sleep issues, low mood, or energy management. That time you know that your body is struggling and the body requires support. This is the time where you need to wake up. Third stage is pre-diagnosis. If you see that your cholesterol numbers are rising or at borderline, if you're in pre-diabetes range, or if your blood pressure is above 120/80, then you know that you are in pre-diagnosis zone. And this is the stage where your body requires your support. Otherwise, you will fall into ailments. And the fourth stage is diagnosis of disease. So this is the phase where you say that after crossing 40, I have got diabetes or I've got high blood pressure and there was nothing wrong with my body. So no, these ailments take time to develop. Minimum 8 to 10 years it takes. So it doesn't come overnight, and it is best to understand the signs and symptoms of your struggle and take preventive steps to not to fall into any unwarranted trouble. I hope this helps. Thank you.